Hello, I'm here to talk to you about the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority, or SAHPRA. SAHPRA is the national regulatory body responsible for regulating health products in South Africa. This includes the registration and licensing of medicines for human and veterinary use, as well as the registration of manufacturers, importers, and distributors of medicines. Shares that all medicines sold in South Africa meet the required standards for quality, safety, and efficacy. It also monitors the quality and safety of medicines once they are on the market and takes action if any product is found to be substandard or falsified. It was established in 2018 to replace the Medicines Control Council of South Africa, South African National Blood Transfusion Service, and the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority. SAHPRA's core function is to ensure the safety, efficacy, and quality of health products for the people of South Africa. This includes taking action against those who sell substandard, falsified, or unregistered health products. SAHPRA works closely with other government departments and agencies, as well as with the private sector to achieve its objectives. This includes the Department of Health, the South African Police Service, and the National Prosecuting Authority. SAHPRA ensures that cams sold in South Africa are safe and of acceptable quality. SAHPRA has several key functions and responsibilities. Firstly, it is responsible for the regulation of medicines. Secondly, SAHPRA is responsible for the regulation of medical devices. This includes devices used in medical diagnosis, treatment, and prevention, as well as devices used in dental and optical practices. SAHPRA ensures that all medical devices are safe and of good quality and that they meet the required performance standards. SAHPRA collects and analyzes reports of adverse events from healthcare professionals and members of the public and takes action if a product is found to be causing harm. Thirdly, SAHPRA is responsible for the regulation of complementary and alternative medicines, commonly known as CAMs. This is to ensure that these establishments meet the required standards for the storage, handling, and distribution of health products. Another key function of SAHPRA is pharmacovigilance. This is the monitoring of the safety of health products once they are on the market. SAHPRA also has the power to license certain healthcare establishments, including manufacturers, wholesalers, and distributors of health products. In addition to its core functions, SAHPRA also has the power to enforce the various health product regulations. Overall, the South African Health Products Regulatory Authority plays a crucial role in safeguarding the public health of South Africa by ensuring that all health products available in the country are safe, effective, and of high quality.